Do you have a business that have excess inventory? We all do, almost. So what do you do about that, and how do you make sure that you can become much more efficient? Stay tuned for more. Hi, my name is Johan Mailav. I'm the founder and CEO of Linda Mansions International. So I have a question for you. Do you recognize this? You walk around your business in your different manufacturing plants or in the plant you're working in, your warehouses, etc. And what you see is material everywhere. And it's funny that I can go to businesses that are built in the 50s and still they're exactly perfectly designed to keep all the stock that you have in-house today. So it's almost like if there's a place, we can keep stock there. That's what it looked like in many businesses. When you analyze that and you look at it, you realize that you have too much inventory potentially. But what you also know is that it's very hard to get rid of it because you feel that you need it. Mapping it, understanding it is perfect. But here's the thing to think about. You have process engineers who owns every individual equipment that you have along your shop. Somebody's really paying attention to what's happening in the machine, even though the material you have is in between the machines. So who owns that? Who is the person who develops the flow, develops the places to put material and handles everything and controls that? Most companies doesn't have anyone for that. And I've seen people spending so much time in material handling, there's almost 90% of the time that they are supposed to add value, they're moving material around instead just to find the material they're supposed to add value to. And imagine this, you go into a surgery and the surgeon is standing there and say scalpel. Normally they get the scalpel in their hand so they can perform the surgery. They add the value, the rest of the people basically keeps the patient alive, I would assume. But what if you will say to the surgeon, the scalpers are down the corridor, you can go and find them over there, then they'll be totally crazy. Nobody would do that. So why do we do that with operators who are the only ones who add value? There's something wrong there, and sometimes we add indirect people. We feel that adding indirect people will hurt the business. It could actually reduce your cost totally. Do you recognize the situation in your business? Let me know. Send me an email. Talk to me about that. I can let you know how you can make that much more efficient. Like and share the video as well, please. And as always, thank you for listening.